Meet the 2025 Ariel Hipercar, a futuristic, high-performance electric hypercar that redefines speed and aerodynamics. With cutting-edge technology and jaw-dropping design, this beast is set to revolutionize the world of high-speed driving. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the exterior, interior, and performance of this electrifying machine. Exterior features. Right off the bat, the 2025 Ariel Hipercar boasts an aggressive, futuristic design that screams performance. Built with a lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber chassis, this hypercar is designed to cut through the air with minimal drag. The sharp lines and dynamic curves not only enhance aerodynamics but also give it an unmistakable road presence. At the front, the ultra-thin LED headlights provide a menacing look, while large air intakes ensure maximum cooling. Moving to the side, you'll notice the active aerodynamics, sculpted bodywork, and those massive lightweight wheels wrapped in high-performance tires. And at the rear, the oversized diffuser and massive wing generate insane downforce, keeping the car glued to the road. Interior features. Step inside, and you're greeted with a race-inspired cockpit built for both speed and comfort. The minimalist yet high-tech interior features lightweight carbon fiber bucket seats, a digital display cluster, and an advanced high-powered driving assistant. The fully digital interface provides real-time telemetry, lap times, and performance data. Ariel has kept distractions to a minimum, focusing on an immersive driving experience. And despite being a hypercar, it still comes equipped with modern tech like a premium sound system, smartphone connectivity, and a customizable driving mode selector. Performance. Now, let's talk about what really sets the 2025 Ariel Hipercar apart: its performance. This electric monster is powered by 4 individual electric motors, producing a combined 1,180 horsepower and 1,327 pounds-feet of torque. That's enough to catapult it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.0 seconds. With a state-of-the-art lithium-ion battery pack and an optional micro-turbine range extender, the Hypercar offers both incredible power and impressive efficiency. The advanced torque vectoring system ensures unparalleled grip and handling, making it a beast on both the track and the road. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed car reviews and insights. See you in the next video.